Paint peeling on drywall tape joints is a super annoying problem that can totally ruin the look of your walls if you don't handle it right. So, when you're fixing those peeling spots around drywall tape joints, you gotta start by making sure the joint compound is applied properly. Don't just slap it on. Use a good quality joint compound and apply it in thin, even layers. Let each layer dry completely before putting on the next one, because rushing this step can cause peeling later. After you've got a few layers on and it's all dry, grab some fine grit sandpaper and smooth out the surface gently. Don't sand too hard or you'll damage the tape underneath. Once the surface feels nice and smooth, wipe away any dust with a damp cloth before priming. Using a good primer is key because it seals everything and helps the paint stick better, preventing peeling in the future. Also, avoid painting over wet or damp surfaces since moisture will wreck your finish. Lastly, pick a quality paint designed for your wall type and apply it evenly with a brush or roller, making sure to avoid thick globs that can crack or peel later on. One of the biggest issues with paint peeling on drywall tape joints is applying joint compound too thickly or unevenly, which leads to cracking and peeling as it dries. Fix this by applying thin layers and letting each one dry fully. Another common mistake is not sanding the surface smooth before priming, leaving bumps and rough spots that cause paint to lift. Just spend a bit more time sanding with fine grit paper to avoid this. The third problem is skipping primer or using a low quality one, which means paint won't stick well and will peel off easily. Always use a high quality primer designed for drywall to get the best adhesion and durability. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff. It also helps contractors get connected with people needing their skills, making home projects way less stressful for everyone involved.